Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Watch out! She said, "Come get me, come get me." So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, "Baby,
Dios mi Cano in session.
For you, babe.